Are you still processing text forms manually? That ends today. In this video, I'll show you how to automate the entire process, from PDF to structured JSON, using DocHorizon. And yes, it's easier than you think. Whether you're a small business, an accountant, or handling hundreds of documents daily, this setup will save you hours, boost accuracy, and help you stay compliant with global standards. Oh, and you'll get a €25 in free credits to try it out. By the end of this video, your text form processing will be running on autopilot. So let's dive in. First, head to the link in the description and sign up for free on the DocHorizon platform. Just enter your email and password, then add a few quick details like your name, company name, use case, volume, and project name. Once you're done, you'll receive €25 in free credits to explore the platform. Not bad, right? After logging in, look to the left menu and go to Project Information, then Project Settings, and finally Services. You want to enable two things here: Financial Model to extract data from PDF, PNGs, and JPEGs and more, Flow Builder to create the automation that ties it all together. This gives you everything you need to build the workflow. Next, we're going to create a preset for text form data extraction. Click Financial Model on the left, then hit New Preset. Let's call this one Convert Text Forms to JSON. Now enable the components you'll need: financial, text details, line items. These will pull in key fields from your text forms, like text rates, text amounts, and text-specific details. Once you're happy, just hit Save. Now comes the fun part, the automation. Head over to Flow Builder, click New Flow, and choose Start from Scratch. Let's name this one Convert Text Forms to JSON. The first component is the trigger. For this example, we'll use Google Drive so that every time a new file is added to a folder, it gets processed automatically. Search for Google Drive, New File, connect your account, pick your folder, and give it a quick test. Next, click the plus button to add a new component called Financial Document Capture. Connect it to DocHorizon and choose the preset we just created, Convert Text Forms to JSON. Under File or URL, choose New File, then insert content and test this step. You should see a successful response if it's all set up correctly. Now let's save the data as a JSON file. Add another component, Google Drive, create new file. Connect your Google Drive account, name your file, open Document Capture, Components, Date Details to insert things like the payment due date. Feel free to customize what fields you want. Just don't forget to add .json at the end of the file name. In the next text window, insert the data you want to include. I'm going to select all the components from Document Capture to include everything that was extracted. Pick your folder, test the step, and you're done. Just like that, your text forms are automatically converted into structured JSON files, ready to plug into your accounting software, ERP, database, or even Excel or Google Sheets. Every time a new form hits that folder, it gets processed instantly. No more manual entry, no more arrows. And now it's your turn. Give it a shot for your own use case. And if you got a high volume of documents, book a demo. We'll help you set up your flow fast. If this video was helpful, like and subscribe for more automation tutorials. And if you got any questions or ideas, drop them in the comments. I'd love to hear what you're working on.